Okay, we're going to do a quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for chips, scuffs, scratches, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that I can find. So starting with this wheel, that looks really good. You got the bright red calipers. Here on the fender, I see a small rock chip there and a really small one here. You have PPF on this little section. Got these mud flaps that are attached here, which those can be removed pretty easy. Got a rock chip here on the A-pillar. The rest of that looks good. Side mirror's clean. Making our way down this door. I see a little scuff there. And then here on the lower side, I see some discoloration right here on this section. I don't know if that shows up in camera or not. And then I see a couple scuffs on the very edge here. Other than that, that lower rocker looks nice. Got a rock chip right there. You have PPF on this little strip here, protecting it. That wheel looks good. Got a chip here, it's been touched up. Got these visors here, those can be removed. I see a ding right there. Actually a little crease almost. I don't know if you can see that in the lighting. You can see the light here kind of ripple. Then looking at the front end here, that headlight is nice and clear. You're gonna have a couple rock impacts across the hood. Just kind of notating some where they're at here. We got a couple on the upper side. And then here on the front, we have a couple larger ones there. This one's been touched up. It looks like it actually gashed the paint pretty good. And then they're just going to be peppered every once in a while throughout this front end. You have your two holes here for the license plate. And we do have rash here. This looks like it's wrapped in a gloss black vinyl. And then we have some rash right there. And then looking at the engine bay, all of this is nice and clean. That battery was installed, it looks like 9 of 24. Then the underhood liner looks good. And then looking at the back left wheel, you do have a little bit of curb rash. The quarter panel looks good. You have a chip right here, a couple chips on the door edge, and a few more on that lower side. You have a couple chips around this sensor here, and then you have one right there. All very minor stuff. That door looks good. A couple minor rock chips on the mirror. Got 2 chips there. That wheel looks awesome. And then looking right here, I see a transfer mark, a couple scuffs. This one's a little deeper, and then a small crack. And then looking at the back bumper, overall that looks really good. Taillights are clean. That spoiler looks nice. All right, looking at the interior, we do have a little scratch right there. You got some scratches in this cubby, but otherwise that panel looks good. Got a few scuffs on that kick plate. That bolster looks good. You have a little bit of wear here, and then there are stains kind of throughout that seat. And then you see some stains throughout this one. Here on the steering wheel, it is a little shiny in some spots, and you do have some wear. Got a carbon insert here. This side of the dash looks good. Overall, that looks good. All right, checking out the front right door panel. There's a tiny scuff on the plastic here, but otherwise that panel looks awesome. Got a chip here, a couple minor scuffs. Got the all-weather mats. That seat looks good. This is fraying just a little bit on that edge. I see a small stain here. That console looks good. There's a lot of scratches here on the shifter, and you have wear around that edge on the leather. See some scratches on the plastics here. The upper side of the dash looks good. Headliner looks nice. Then here on the back right door panel, overall that looks good. This trim looks nice. I see a couple stains on the edge here. The rest of this seat looks good. I don't see any other imperfections. Seat back looks nice. Here on the back left door panel, got a tiny scuff there on the plastic. This trim all looks good. The seats look nice. And the seat back looks good. You got a 12-volt outlet right here in the middle.